Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. As you can tell by the title, this is my 2021 Christmas decorate with me. So this year is going to be different because I moved apartments this year. So that means I have a new space to decorate, which I'm so excited for. I've been doing this since 2016, I believe. Sometimes it used to go in my Vlogmas videos, sometimes it went in just separate videos. I will link down below all my Christmas tree decorating videos. Most of them are pretty much the same decorations, especially the last few years. This year is the same as well. I did buy a few more things for my Christmas tree, but pretty much a lot of my theme and decorations are the same. I do, however, try to mix it up. So this year it's going to be in a new corner, and I did get a few more ornaments for it and a few other decorations. So you will see that in this video. By the way, happy December 1st. You're probably watching this on December 1st, 2021, but I'm actually filming it November 13th. I believe 2021. So I'm filming this in advance and I'm putting up my tree early this year. So before we go out into the living room and decorate, I'll show you my OOTD. Well, technically I'm wearing Christmas pajamas. It has become a theme for me to wear new Christmas pajamas every year when I decorate, and they're supposed to have like a candy cane theme. That's what I like to go with. So since my tree is candy cane themed, I thought the Christmas pajamas should be as well. So let me show you what I'm wearing, all the details to my look before we decorate my tree this year. So here we have it. This is a look at my Christmas pajamas for 2021. I'm probably not going to wear this Christmas Day. This is just for decorating my Christmas tree. I mean, I'll wear it throughout December, but as for like decorating, this is what I'm wearing. The bow is from Shein, as well as the Christmas pajamas. They're like a silk material, same as the bow. The bow, I'll have to give you a close-up. It is like a Christmas print. It is so cute. And then my red lip is Maybelline liquid lipstick in Dancer. And then my candy cane earrings are from Forever 21 or H&M years ago. So I thought to match the candy cane theme, I would wear candy cane earrings. And then here is what the pajamas look like. I'm wearing pink fur slippers from Target. You can't really see it because of my fluffy carpet. There you go. That is what they look like. And then the sleeves on this are just rolled up. So let me roll them down to show you the length. That is the length of them, but for the purpose of this video I need to decorate, so I'm going to roll them back up. But that is what they look like lengthwise. Pretty good. They are from Shein. I am wearing a size 2X and I think they fit pretty well. It's a little loose here and they don't have a drawstring, so I'm not sure if you should size up or down or get your regular size, but this is what they look like on me. They were like 15 bucks when I got them, but I think it varies in price. Sometimes they go up, sometimes they go down. And yeah, that is a look at my Christmas pajamas for decorating my Christmas tree in 2021. Let's head out into the living room. I can show you all of my Christmas decorations before I take it out of the bins and how I stored it last year. Let's just head on out to the living room and decorate. Here are my Christmas decorations. So I put them in bins. In there is my Christmas tree that I got from Target in 2018. It's still going strong. It's a pre-lit one, 6 foot. It's the best. I've had it for so long now and it holds up great. And then we have my train from last year. We're gonna put that underneath the Christmas tree. And then over here we have the remote control, so I can just turn on the tree with a push of the button. So yeah, this is where we're gonna put the tree. Maybe right here. I don't know yet if I'm gonna put it in the corner or right here by the TV. So yeah, that's all the decorations. I thought I had more, but I don't. I also had one more bin, but it's for the bedroom and we're just focusing on the living room. is my progress so far. I did the tree and then I decorated that little table right there. I might do a few more things, maybe buy a few more decorations, but I'm going to take a break. I'm probably gonna add more stuff later on, so I'll add those clips in when I film that. I want to put a garland up with lights right there, so that hasn't come in yet. It's still back ordered, but hopefully it comes in time so I can finish decorating that, and then put a wreath up and then a bow by the door. So not yet done with my decorating, but you'll see those clips probably in this video as well. Here I am testing out the wreath that I bought in my last video, the Come Shop With Me for Christmas decorations, and I'm going to decorate it. So I said I was regretting doing this, but it was actually quite fun. I just put on a movie and watched that while I decorated it. I think it turned out okay. I'm pretty happy with it. The placements of some of them I tried to mess around with, but in the end I got there and I'm really proud of how the wreath turned out. Then I'm working on the garland. All I'm doing is wrapping the lights around it, and I didn't really put any decorations on it. I'm just gonna leave it plain like this. Maybe later on I'll change it, but now I'm going to put the lights in the window. This was really difficult. I had to rope my dad in, and then we had to buy some nails and nail it to the sides so it will be like draped correctly, and it was such a process. I also love that I put Christmas music and a fireplace on my TV while I did this, so it was extra festive, so I got to sing along and dance while I was doing the lights, while me and my dad argued how to put up the lights. So yeah, it turned out okay in the end, and we managed to get it, and it was super fun to do it together. Then I'm putting the garland up on top of the blinds. I went and got a chair because I couldn't put it up myself. Then I turned it on and it's all on one switch, which is great. So all the Christmas lights are up. Then I replaced the Christmas star I had already. So this one wouldn't stay, so my dad had to take popsicle sticks and it made it more sturdy, so that was nice. Once we got it, it looked really cute. Last but not least, the wreath. I'm going to plug it in and then adjust it, and then in the end I'm going to turn it around for it to face the window. Then I'm going to test everything, turn the ring light off, turn it off and on, and I get so happy that it works. Now we're moving on to the kitchen. I'm going to put the hot pink Christmas tree and this vase with some red and white flowers. I thought that looked super cute. And then I put these dish towels, but my oven has a really small opening, so it was really hard for me to put it on, so I had to speed this up. Then we're going to put the Merry Christmas banner. This was on my bed last year, but it doesn't match my bedroom theme, so it's going out here in the kitchen / dining room, I guess. And then I'm going to put these pom-poms in between the living room and the dining room on the other side of the kitchen. So I put that up, and then I actually tie it on the roof. I put a nail up there and tie it, and then I dropped it, and then my dad had to hand it to me, and then I tied it securely. Now moving on to outside, we're going to put this wreath on my door. And here is how everything turned out. I'm super happy with it. Here is the Christmas tree, the train that I still haven't got running, what everything looks like with the garland, the lights, the wreath. So that looks super cute, and I love the theme, even though it's the same thing I always do. The wreath turned out pretty. The lights really turned out nice. Here's the finished wreath that I was talking about earlier. And then we have the garland up top. I think it looks pretty good. It probably could have been a little thicker, but I like it. The glowing star, that's a cute final touch that I'm really happy that I got this year. And all the ornaments on the Christmas tree are pretty much the same. And there's all the cute ornaments that I mentioned in my last video. So I really like the Christmas tree. It looks a lot bigger this year. I don't know, maybe because it's in a different space than I usually am at, but I love how it turned out. And then we have the pom-pom banner that I had a hard time putting up. We have more of the pom-pom banners or garlands, pom-pom garlands, I'm sorry, that's what they're called. And then I put one in the archway of the bathroom going into my bedroom because why not, I had an extra one. And then here is the Merry Christmas garland, looks super cute. And then the tree and flowers in the counter on the kitchen. And then we have the dish towels. Moving on to my archway going outside, I put this like candy cane themed garland and wreath, which I love so much, and they look perfect there. And then we have the wreath on my door with the same bow as the other wreath. And then this is what my window looks like from outside my apartment. So I turned the wreath around so you can see it from the outside. And I just love it. I hope like whoever passes like gets some happiness from my Christmas decorations, because I sure am happy seeing this. So that's the end of this tour. And there you have it. That was my Christmas tree decorate with me for 2021. You saw me decorate my Christmas tree and my living room in my new apartment. So that was really fun. I will make sure to link everything down below in the description. My tree, some of the ornaments, anything that I can link, I'll link down below. As I said, probably I'm going to change up the decor a little bit if I buy some stuff throughout the month of December. Stay tuned for Vlogmas 2021. I'll be filming hopefully every day in December, or I don't know yet, but yeah, that is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.